Yeah, I'm not judging anybody who wears like intentional holes in the crotch area. I just want to know why. I just want to know why. Hey y'all, it's time for part 2 of my 50-pound ThredUP denim DIY rescue box unboxing. If you don't know what this is actually a mystery box from ThredUP.com. ThredUP is the world's largest thrift store, online thrift store. So if you want $10 off your first ThredUP purchase, I do have a referral link. I'll leave that down below. You get $10, I get $10. It helps me buy more of these mystery boxes. So you probably can see in the corner over there, that was box number 1. Here's box number 2. I'm gonna leave box number 1's video in my description box if you haven't seen that already. I paid $50 for 50 pounds. They came in 2 boxes, so I'm just estimating each box cost me around $25. A ton of great items in here. I know I'm gonna make a lot of money. So let's just go ahead and get into it. You guys know how my videos work. I'm gonna show you the best stuff first. So let's jump in. These are cool. I told y'all in my last video that I'm not really excited about American Eagle. It doesn't really sell well for me. However, I feel like these are really different, so I think they will sell. These are a size 6, and they are a really fun pair of denim jeans. They have the different color tone going on. So it's in the front, and then it's also in the back. It does have a button fly. Have not looked up comps on these, but I should be able to get at least $25. That pays for this whole box of jeans I'm about to show you. Okay, next pair I was excited about was these DL 1961. I actually even own some of these jeans by this brand, and I really like them. These are a size 30. This brand is sold at Nordstrom. And I don't really have any experience reselling it, but I think they're a cute pair of denim. They probably retailed, I don't know, maybe about $75, $80. So maybe I can get around $20, $25 for those. If I don't know a comp on something, I will be popping it up on the screen. Here's a pair of Calvin Klein jeans. These are men's, and they're 32 by 32. I love to sell men's jeans. Men's jeans sell fabulous for me. These are in really good condition. Pretty much anytime I'm going to receive men's jeans in good condition, I'm going to try to list them myself if I think I can get at least $20, $25. Here's a pair of Wrangler jeans. These are a 32 by 30 regular fit. So just a pair of basic denim jeans. I have sold Wrangler before, and it did move really quickly for me, so I'm excited about that. This right here is an amazing piece, and it's by a brand that I would say like 9 out of 10 times I don't buy it. It's Zara, size US medium large. There's Zara. It's a really oversized denim button down. It's really big. A short person like me probably could wear this as a dress. The buttons are snap buttons. Anyway, I just thought that was a really fun piece. Okay, here's a brand that I've sold before for a good amount. I sold some pants by this brand for, I want to say like $80 or something. It's Carmar. Now, I don't know how well the shorts do, if I'm being honest. I think these are adorable. They're super, super distressed. I mean, there's a rip really high up on your thigh, as you can see. This is all intentional. So I think those are really cute. I'm hoping I can get at least $30 out of them. Okay, I was super excited about these. I had to look them up. I mentioned in my last video, I do not know a lot about Levi's whatsoever. These are Levi's 501s. And I saw this inside. So I had to look it up. It says white oak cone denim. Let me tell you the size, just in case anyone is curious. I don't want to miss the size on something. I looked these up, y'all. 29. Inseam 28. I looked these up. And there were some really good comps out there. These are really cute, super, super distressed. Yeah, I'll definitely be looking out for those type of Levi's in the future. So these are BDG by Urban Outfitters, which I usually wouldn't pick up or even maybe take a second look at. But I looked at comps and yeah, it's worth my time, I think, to list them. They're very, very distressed. Really, really like these. So I did get another pair, but they were in a different size. Those were 30s. These are 27s. But I like the look of these. They're more like a gray tone to them. Very, very cute. So I'm excited to try something different. Like I said, if I saw that in the thrift store, I probably wouldn't have even gave it a second look. Levi's 559, size 31 by 30. These are men's. And y'all, sometimes men's jeans aren't really exciting to look at and we may not think anything of them, but I think men will find a brand and style they like. Like if someone likes Levi 559 jeans, they're gonna buy Levi 559 jeans for like 10, 15, 20 years. So I don't mind picking up even kind of like boring jeans because in my experience, they usually sell. You guys, these jeans here, I had to send my friend Jess over at Gorgeous here on YouTube a picture because I thought I was going crazy. I have never seen this type of, I want to call it distressing. Let me just show you. Very exciting brand. Extremely excited to get this. Everlane. Every piece I've ever picked up from Everlane has sold. These are size 27. And so I was super excited, right, whenever I got them. Super cute, little black, skinny ankle jean. Let me show you, and this is intentional. In the crotch, they have put intentional distressing here. Can you tell? I have never seen holes be made to look like that in the crotch of the jeans. Like it's made to look like they have wear. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I'm not judging anybody who wears like intentional holes in the crotch area. I just want to know why. I just want to know why. Those just kind of caught me off guard. Okay, Mott and Bow. I don't know. I could be mispronouncing that. I've never heard of this brand before. Let me tell you the size. These are 30 by 32 skinny. These are men's jean. They have like this gray color to them. I don't know. Just a really nice pair of jeans. I'll pop up comps on the screen of what I'm hoping to get for those. So yeah, those were the jeans I was most excited about in this box. Everything under the tissue paper, I'm not as excited to list. I'm gonna try to bring all this stuff to Plato's before I try to sell it. All right, let me show you. Let me know if you would sell any of this stuff yourself. These are Topshop. This is a skirt. It's actually really cute. I just don't think it'll be worth a lot. Super, super distressed. I don't know. Maybe I'll list it. We'll see. Size 6, US 6. Super distressed little mini skirt. This is an unbranded little denim overall situation. It doesn't even have the size tag on them. The overalls are in good condition. There's no rips, tears, anything like that. Just don't really have, you know, a lot of interest in selling unbranded overalls. Okay, here's a pair of American Eagle I really don't want to list. They have some puckering. You see right there? That's called puckering. I don't even know if I'm going to take those over to Plato's because I'm pretty sure they're not going to take them. Forever 21, size 12. My Plato's does take a ton of Forever 21. I don't think I've ever tried jeans. These are just a pair of skinny jeans. These look older, like older American Eagle. Yeah, just a pair of low-rise flared out jeans. I feel like this style may be coming back, so maybe Plato's will want them. We'll see. All right, this next pair, this is Maurice's high rise. I just don't have any interest in selling Maurice's. It just says LR, so I'm guessing that's large regular. Is that the sizing? I'm not sure. That's the only size tag that I see in here. I'm also seeing a hole right here. So yeah, probably actually just donate those. Or maybe bring them to, I don't know, maybe bring them to Style Encore, see if they want them. Arizona Jeans, Walmart, size 0. I feel like Plato's may take those and give me like $1 for them. Another pair of little short shorts. Hey, what size were these? These are size 0. Were these a 1? 0 and 0. Maybe I'll list these. Maybe I'll lot these up. Two very similar pair of shorts. I'll lot those up. I'm just now noticing those are the same size. Indigo Rain. I think this is sold at Kohl's. Size 5. That's going to Plato's. Kids Jeans. I'll be going to Once Upon a Child soon, and I will be filming it. So those will go there. American Eagle. Someone got these at Goodwill because it has the Goodwill tag. This says it's jegging size 00. Itty bitty little shorts. So we will see. Abercrombie & Kids shorts. Mermaid at Heart. Yeah, I'll just bring those to Once Upon a Child. Forever 21 size small. This is just a little skirt, a little black skirt. I could sell this on my own, but I would probably only get like $10 for it. What are you? You are, okay, this is Forever 21 size medium. These do have like a bleach spot on the back. So, I don't know. They actually have a few spots. You can see, or maybe you can't see. Anyway, there's a bunch of spots on them, so I may just donate these because Plato's is probably only going to give me $1 or $2 for them. And if I sell them, I can maybe get $10 if I'm lucky. All right. These are a pair of Wranglers, and I think these were flawed. I think that's why these were in here. Oh, yeah. These had paint. These had paint on them. Really bad right here, actually. So, yeah, it's all over. I don't know if there's maybe a way to get paint out. If maybe I just put rubbing alcohol, maybe they would come out. I don't know. I may play with it for a second and see if I can get it out. But there's a lot of it. So even if there's a little bit left, probably I'll just donate these. And then the last thing in here is a pair of maternity. And let me find the brand on these. Oh, there's no brand. Unbranded pair of maternity Bermuda shorts. So yeah, that was the second part of my 50-pound denim rescue box from ThredUP. What did you guys think? I think there was definitely some brands that I'm going to do really well with. I'm really hopeful that those Everlane jeans will still sell even though they have the weird hole in the crotch. I'm really happy with this purchase. I think I will definitely purchase again. I am kind of in the market for a handbag for myself, so I have been thinking maybe I'll buy the handbag ThredUP rescue box. I don't really want the 15-item handbag box. I kind of want the 5-item. I think those are better. Based off of my many YouTube videos that I've watched, it seems like the 15 handbag rescue box, it's kind of crappy, like not even gonna lie. But then the 5 handbags seem to do pretty well. I actually have purchased one before, actually, a year and a half, 2 years ago, and it was pretty good. I still haven't sold all those handbags, but I did make my money back very, very quickly. Thank you guys for watching. Tomorrow I'm going to have a video about the Poshmark changes. I know the community has been pretty vocal. I've seen a lot of people make comments and give their opinions on the new Poshmark search filters and how customers are now seeing our items on the Poshmark app. I have some opinions. I'm going to be sharing my sales with you tomorrow. And spoiler alert, most of my sales I'm going to be sharing are pretty much all eBay sales. Thank God for cross-posting is all I can say. If you're new here and you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I do try to put out a video every single day. And I will see y'all tomorrow for that Poshmark and What Sold video. Bye y'all.